Hate to say it, but as you know, allergy season is upon us. And if these allergies, these pollens, these little beauties floating through the air, sitting on the cars, if that's getting to you, we got some support for you. You can check out the Aller Relief. Fantastic formula to stabilize those mast cells, to clear that histamine response. And this is an all-natural agent. So as opposed to just putting this blockade on everything with a standard pharmaceutical antihistamine, we're actually helping clear it from the body. So you don't end up with that withdrawal effect, that kickback where now histamine's all of a sudden blowing up your system the second you stop your Claritin, Zyrtec, Benadryl, you name it. So check it out. I'll put a little link on here. It can be so helpful.